More than 1 million flu shots have been administered since the government's vaccine campaign kicked off Monday. The pandemic has created a surge in demand, leaving many clinics temporarily out of stock. The Taiwan Centers for Disease Control says it will release a second round of doses ahead of schedule.
Three boxes have arrived containing 1,000 doses in total. They're bound to go quick. Since Monday, there's been an unprecedented rush for flu vaccines. Here at Far Eastern Memorial Hospital, a fresh supply arrived this afternoon.
If the demand stays as strong as it is now, I estimate it will take about 3 days to use these up.
And then there's National Taiwan University Hospital. It was allocated some 5,500 doses that were gone in 3 days. On Wednesday, the hospital suspended vaccination until the following afternoon.
Before, you'd have some people waiting until December before they'd mosey on over here for a flu shot. So many sites are out of government-funded vaccines. They'll have to go back and call up the second batch.
Doctors emphatically deny that flu shots lower the risk of COVID infection. But getting the shot can prevent misdiagnosis, they say. It also lowers the risk of getting flu and COVID at the same time, which would take a severe toll on the body.
It's really quite worrying that in the autumn and winter, we'll need to fight COVID spread while fighting a flu outbreak. So they're mainly asking that people get inoculated for the flu.
In 2019, some 810,000 flu shots were administered in the first 3 days of the campaign. But this year, uptake surged to 1.26 million in the first 3 days. The Taiwan CDC has rushed out an additional 426,000 doses to meet demand. Another 1.84 million doses will be distributed by October 21st. But if the demand continues, the 6 million doses prepared this year won't be enough.
Influenza vaccines usually have to be pre-ordered with the manufacturer very early on because there's a certain amount of time between the pre-ordering and production. For example, if the vaccine is made in chicken eggs, the manufacturer has to ensure an egg supply. Because of the COVID pandemic, flu shot demand is also rising in other countries, so getting more shots will indeed be difficult.
The Taiwan CDC admits that it will be a struggle to purchase more flu vaccines. It advises at-risk groups to get vaccinated early before the supply runs out.